G'day everyone and welcome to today's video. I've got the Stampers Anonymous stamp set here and I want to use it in an art journal page today using some old vintage book page that I think I received in some Happy Mail recently. Got some archival ink and I've got my Delusions art journal page which I'm going to do this art journal page in today. So first of all, I want to stamp out some of these insects onto the book page here, and I think it will be a really good focal point on my page today. Now I've got some various size circle punches here, and depending on what size my insects is will be the size of the circle punch that I am using today. Now all the supplies that I'm using will be listed over on my website, and my website link will be down in the description box below, so be sure to check that out for everything that I use. Now first of all, I'm going to break a blank page, and I've got some distress paint here in Vintage Photo, I think this one is, and just going to use a baby wipe just to apply all over the page. I've got walnut stain here, and I'm just going to go around the outside of the page, and this will sort of like do a bit of a border around the edges. Now I've got this crackle stencil here, and I absolutely love this. I use it quite often and it sort of lives on my desk. So I'm going to use some iron paste through the stencil today, and I'm just going to put that on the corners of my page here. Now this is quite a thick paste, so when you do use this paste you have to actually clean it off pretty well much straight away, or else it will set like concrete. Now I am just going to water down some of this brown distress paint here, and I do want some drippage onto the page. I don't want it sticking out, but I do just want it subtly in the background. Now I've got the background stamp from the same stamp set here, and I'm just going to stamp randomly in the background. I'm also going to use my clear embossing powder in super fine all over the background as well, because I do want it to shine through a little bit. I have cut out a mask of all three sizes here as well, just out of photocopy paper, and I've just got some brown ink, and I do want to just distress the background here, so it'll give it a little bit of depth to the page. So masking is a great technique to do on any page or card, art journal page, whatever you're doing. I'm just going to glue down all my bits here onto the page just using some Yoo-Hoo glue, and this is already starting to come together. I've also got the Stampers Anonymous, or Tim Holtz I think they are, sticker set here, and I'm just going to put them onto the vintage book page here, because this will actually bring everything together, because the bugs are stamped onto the same sort of paper as well. So I'll cut those out, and then I'll just go round with some distress ink just to distress the edges of the book page. Just using some distress soot just around the edge of the page, and then that will be my page done for today. I really do hope that you have enjoyed this and that this has inspired you to do something similar. If you have enjoyed this, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget, if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for up and coming videos. Until next time, happy crafting! See ya!